JD Cap 26 here, just do the tips and repairs, and we've got the Giant Instack by Monster Scenes. These were kits that were put out by Aurora originally. Now they're put out by another company. Let's see what it says here. Oh, this is a Mobius one, and they're snap together kits. So let's open it up. Snap together means you don't have to use any glue, but some people do. I do. Oh, there's a lot of parts to this one. I was thinking about putting lighting to this, and here's some instructions here, but I don't think I'm going to do any lighting to it. The box over here. See if the instructions has. Pretty straightforward. Tells you a little story as you go along, a little scary story. So let's open up the bag. It's like a lot of parts to me, huh? There's the main body right there. So I'm going to sort through this, and I'm going to put this together, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. And then we'll have a part 2, as you know, of it painted. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you this part. I dropped in some glue on the lenses on the inside, and I also some luminous powder for the eyes. And then we're just going to dump the extra out after the wings dry. You have to glue the wings on, okay? Because there's no way you can get them on. This other piece right here, you have to put on snap-on. So that's drying right now, and I'll show you when it's all assembled. Here he is, guys. He's all together, and I glued his wings first, and then I put the bottom piece on down here, and then I snapped his legs on. You have to watch the orientation of the legs when you put them on, because these could be pointed inward or outward. You could just unsnap them if you don't glue them. And I used some Tamiya glue to do the wings, and some CA glue to do the wings, and some of the seam work on the legs. You're going to have to do some compounding on the side here. See right there? And I want to see if I can turn the lights off here and see if I get a glow out of them. And turn that off. Let's see if I can turn this one off. His eyes are going to glow in the dark, so I put glow-in-the-dark powder inside his eyelids right here. And that's the kit for now. And you'll see him painted pretty soon, so please stay tuned and watch my channel. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it very much. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you know the next one comes out. Have a great day.